How do birds migrate across continents, without a map? Many birds don't just see the world, they sense it. Their secret? Magnetoreception, the ability to detect Earth's magnetic field. It helps them fly thousands of kilometers with astonishing accuracy, even across oceans and continents. But how they do it is still being uncovered. Some scientists believe it happens in their eyes, using quantum reactions that let them see magnetic fields as shifting colors or patterns. Others point to microscopic crystals of magnetite in their beaks, like an internal compass. It's not just instinct. It's a sensory ability we can't even imagine having. It's not magic. It's quantum physics, with feathers.